What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we picking up brown coat, man. Picking up brown coat. But first, man, wife gotta get this workout in, man. So I probably put a little clip of that in there for y'all, so y'all can see how we get down. How we get down every morning, or get some motivation for somebody, man. Like getting that workout, man, with your significant other. Workout for yourself. Just, you know, get healthy and all that. So finna go back in the garage cause it's a little cool. I'm gonna go back in the garage. Cause wife on her way downstairs. Then we're gonna get the workout in, and after that we're gonna go ahead to showtime so we can get back. So I gotta stop by get some racing gas and stuff instead of taking the trailer and all that. So we finna go ahead and get this done so I can get the truck and she can get back, pick the kids up from school and all that. So let's do it. All right, y'all. So tuning in, man. This what we be doing beginning of the day, everything. So we got doing the arm workout today. Wifey is like still asleep.
No, I'm not.
It's like a zombie. So she finna do first set. We alternate, then I'm gonna do straight walk curl. So you can go ahead.
I need to get both of them.
Of course. See, I told you out of it this morning. Do 6 on. It's a heavy weight, low rep day. Yeah, she got a little rock to it, but do 5. You did 5?
Yeah.
She should have told do 6. Here. Just putting a little section in here for y'all. I guess I'll step over so y'all can see. I'll probably end up going up my leg with this 115. I'll probably end up with 45 on each side. Cause I can do this 10. You're gonna add a little home for the next set. Then what we do in the morning. And then we're gonna go pick up the truck, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we finished working out and about to head to go pick up a brown coat. I gotta stop and get some racing gas, and I got to get a couple video uploaded right quick first. So we need to get the rolling, basically what I'm saying. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get there. All right, y'all, we're checking in, man. So right here, let me make sure the microphone. Right here, picking up brown coat at showtime. Saying I ain't drove, I just drove and ran out the gate. I'm finna put the GoPro in and all that and see what it hint like. So I'm gonna tune in to y'all from the GoPro. So y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna check back in. All right, y'all. So look, I drove the truck, but the shifter kind of crazy, man. It's in between the gears and stuff. DJ done adjusted it and stuff. Then we just went and drove it, and I mean, we just ran through it right now. So he ain't like the shifter. I don't know, I ain't a fan of it, but y'all know I bought it new and replaced it. So he told me to come in the office and check this out. Man, I got me a brand new shifter, man. I know it look the same, but they ain't. This the mega shifter. That's a star shifter. That's the star shifter. Man, they got me a shifter, man. So I told him, I said, I'm gonna leave it, man. I pick it up Monday. He said, man, then I'm gonna throw it in for you. I said, boy, hey, When I do, look, I'm gonna do something for him, man. No, I'm gonna do something for him, y'all. Cause this 2 things, man. He done got me 2 things, man. Like I appreciate the hell out of him for real. Like I had to put this on camera, man. Cause that just you don't get people like that, man. I mean, that's just crazy. So I'm gonna leave Brown Coat cause we gotta get over and pick up Tina and stuff. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. All right, we back. After a lot of run, had to go get the kids and all that stuff. I got my racing gas. We made the little stop. I picked up me 20 gallons of racing gas. I got a 114, a 116, and 2 5-gallon pairs of 112. All those over there empty, but I use them for my target practice. Cause one of them really can be thrown away now. Cause I did a number on this bad boy. So this one really can be thrown away. And this why I keep them, man, cause I like to use target practice. So the buckshots have went to work on this one. It really ain't too much more left for this. So I'm probably gonna toss it on back of the truck. Cause you can't see where you can't even see where you're hitting it no more. This one, we still got some sides left on this one. So, you know. I got my new mic on, man. My new microphone. I'm gonna have to show y'all my new camera setup. It finally came in. I got it set up. It windy out here. But, it windy out here. But it should be helping with the wind though. It shouldn't be picking up nothing. It should be reducing it. But yeah, to give y'all the backstory of what's going on, cause I'm probably gonna do something else, man, today. But to give y'all the backstory of what's going on, cause we were scrambling. So I get to showtime, get Brown Coat. DJ wasn't there, man. He was handling business, doing something, so he wasn't even there. So I was talking to boss lady and stuff. Drove the truck, got up the street. I was like, man, this thing would not shift. Well, it was shifting. But it was like, it wasn't responding to the shifter. And I'm like, man, the shifter got a lot of play in it, man. Like, it got a whole lot of play in it. So I was like, man, something ain't right with this. So then we got back. I called DJ, cause I put a little gas in it. He was like, bring it back, Jay, I just got back. So, Jane, don't throw that spoon away. That plastic spoon. I thought I said put it in the sink. But we got back. And he was going through it, wasn't shifting either. He was like, man, it shifted crazy, man. And like he had told me, he had texted me, he was like, man, I ain't there, but drive it and see how you like it. I was saying to myself, see how I like it. I know it worked. I seen you driving it. It threw me off, but man, DJ always be up to something, man. So he was like, see how you like it. I'm like, what do you say that for? So I just got in and drove. I was like, I'm finna go, cause I know it right. That's showtime, man. It right. Which it is right. It's just the shifter, man. The shifter just would not adjust for some reason, man. So then he get back, he said, I like, man, I said, I'm gonna leave with you, DJ, man. We gotta go pick the kids up. He like, hold on, I got something for you. And then when that man pulled the shifter out. Y'all don't be understanding, man. Y'all got to hear me on this. That junk, I couldn't do nothing but dap my boy up, then give him a hug, man. That junk make my day. Like, call a lot of people I rarely ever get people to do stuff for me, like random stuff. That's just the truth. Not that I'm complaining. I like giving to people, but I'm hardly ever on the receiving end. So I'm constantly giving to people. People I don't know. I just do stuff in public, man. I get moved and I just do stuff. I do a lot that ain't on camera. Sometimes I put it on camera to motivate somebody else to do something. But when people do stuff like that, man, I take that junk serious, cause I'm not on that end I'm not on the other end of things a lot, basically. I'm always the one doing it from big to small. So like that man made my day, man. And I told him, he like, Jay, I might get in here and go and put it in today. And I told him I was gonna come pick it up. I said, man, just keep it over the weekend then, man. I said, go take ball lady out there and stuff. They just like, man, I might not want to bring it home then, but you know. But man, I don't know. We might do something else today, man, cause that was the plan, just to pick up Brown Coat anyway. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So say it ain't really too much unfolded today, man. We just been running around handling business, doing little stuff. But DJ did hit me back and said brown coat A1 now. He said brown coat right. So he got him operating like he should, man. So brown coat right, back with the update with y'all. With that, like I said, that happened today. Stuff happened like that, man. Just didn't go as planned, but it's all good. I could have picked it up today. It was just I ain't want to rush, and I wanted my family to just keep that thing over the weekend, man. If he want to play in it, he can have a little fun in it. All of that. I'm back to it tomorrow. Got to hit the track film. I'm gonna be here in LaGrange. Actually gonna be here in LaGrange, man. LaGrange Dragway, getting it in down there. Seeing what them boys hitting like down that way, man, for Georgia A1 Customs event. Shout out to Ben. So I'm gonna be down there getting it in. And shoot, that's about it, man. Like I said, every day ain't excitement, but every day is an update for y'all, man. I try to keep y'all updated on everything going on. Keep y'all updated with the progress of everything. So you know, it's just one of them days. But yeah, man, that's it. What we got shaking? Something I'm gonna tell you. I read y'all comments. I read y'all comments from the real BCG family stuff, man, on what I should do with John Jones, and I am gonna sell it. Now this is what I'm gonna do. Everybody saying raffle it off, like, which a lot of people doing that, man. You got to be careful how you do that. Really, you really got to be careful how you go about doing it. But I always like to try to sell. I like to try to sell to give somebody an opportunity that really want a nice car, man, a legitimate nice car. So I'll probably be shooting a video based solely on John Jones or for sale video, basically, so everybody can put out there and they can see the details and everything. I'm revealing everything on it. But it would be a great buy for a content creator, a car content creator, somebody trying to get into YouTube, or somebody already doing YouTube that want a established car. I mean, like, it's known, the car is known. So somebody that want to establish car, and then some people will continue to follow the car and wherever it's at. So it really will help a content creator out, whether they're getting started or what. And it's a nice car. It's just for enthusiasts too. It's a nice fast car, like it's a legitimate fast car, man. So independent. Take your family, drive around and all that. So I am gonna put it on the market. Like I said, the price and stuff, I'm gonna do an official video walking around the car, showing everything, talking about it and all that. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all advice, y'all comments and all this stuff. I read them, I heard y'all, and we all on the same page. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.